You know, we've said things like boys will be boys, but the fact of the matter is it's not the boy that's the problem. Never was the boy that was the problem. It was how well our systems of nurture, the structures of boyhood, how well that actually matched what boys need. There is still this overarching set of ideas about who a boy is that we are unwittingly passing along to our sons, and that has a lot of consequence. Mothers, don't buy the mama's boy myth. Dads, don't believe that it's our responsibility to teach our sons how to be men. Better to stay connected to them and let them figure out what the new manhood, what the new boyhood's going to look like, because it's different than our generation. It's a whole different world. And we can trust our sons to adapt to it creatively and successfully if they have us backing them up.